right, this is an example of the feather stitch. And basically, it's kind of a forked stitch, and we get it by using the string that we're sewing with to pin down part of the stitch, right? So this is the string coming out, and it pins down part of that stitch, all right? So the next, I'm gonna try, I don't know how close I can get to this without. All right, now the other thing about it is it's directional. So if you want this to kind of seem like it sprouts from here and goes in two directions, you're gonna have to start and go halfway and then stop, which is what I've done. And now I'm gonna want this to go that way, and it's gonna kind of look like a wreath at that point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up, and I will say there's a line. I need that bow. So there is a line that runs down the center of this. I can kind of see the line in my head, but if you can't see the line in your head, you can just draw one. Okay, so we see that line right there. I am gonna start on the middle of my line. Okay, and I'm gonna come up. Now, Ms. Hernandez does this different. I'm gonna show you my way. The way I do this is I go through where I came out. I'm gonna go over to one side about, I do like a quarter of an inch. And then I'm gonna come forward like this, and I'm gonna come out on the line. I am then gonna take my string and put it around this, and just coming out here is gonna hold that in place. So when I pull this through, I get it to the side, okay? The next thing I'm gonna do is I wanna do it to the other side. So I'm gonna go to the opposite side. I'm gonna go in exactly where I came out from, and I'm gonna do it Ms. Hernandez's way, which is different from me, so work with me. I'm gonna and I'm gonna pull this, I'm gonna pull this, and I'm gonna reserve like a little loop on this. I am gonna push that loop over that center line. I'm gonna go in, and I'm gonna come out, and I'm very gently gonna pull this until it's just slightly snug. So once again, there's my little V shape. And doing it my way, I'm gonna go over to the side. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna come out on my center line. I'm gonna keep the string behind my needle. And then I'm gonna pull this through. The other side, Ms. Hernandez's way, is we go through, we pull this on from the back. I'm gonna leave a little bit of a loop. I'm gonna come up on my center line. And then I'm gonna pull this until it's just gently laying on the fabric. Okay, my way again, put my string on my center line, move over, staying just about where I was, come up on the center line, hook the string around my fabric, and then continue to pull it through. Straight across from where I came out, go back in. This Mrs. Hernandez way. Pull it through. Keep the loop. Come up on the line. And then collect my loop as I pull it all the way through. Get it to lay down on the fabric. And if you look at this, it kind of looks like branches or a feather, which is why it's called the feather stitch. My way. Go straight across from where I came out, come up on the middle line, loop it, continue to pull it through. So that's that.